You lying bitch, cause I never been to New Britain. I never been to no fucking New Britain. You fucking lying. I want your fucking badge number. You're going down. I got that shit on camera. You're going down. You lying bitch. You fucking liar.
Bitch, you dropped the dollar, man.
You really gonna sit there and lie? Everything I do is legit. Everything I do is legit. Everything I fucking do is legit.
You need to relax.
Get the fuck out of here. I don't want to talk to you. I want your fucking badge number. I want your badge number. Badge number. You are gonna be on administrative leave. Badge fucking number. Now. Now. You will go on administrative leave effective immediately.
What
Now.
happened? I don't know. It was reported as stolen, but
Now.
I guess she's the
I'm not Miss
registered owner.
Thompson. I'm Sydney Ransom.
So how's it registered stolen?
I don't know. That's what I'm trying to figure out. I think
You got the hot sheet?
He's grabbing all of mine for nothing. Everybody has nothing.
351. 351. Zulu, you can put me around the 1700 park on I-75.
With my daughter in the car? My daughter's not even
10 times. 77. 77.
No, he wasn't. No,
Ledger at Catherine, 5934, please.
Can I make keys, please? Stop fucking checking my VIN number.
10-4.
You know this is the car, you fucking prick. Jay Light, that's your name? Can I get your badge number?
10-4.
Can we show her that? Can we just show her that it's on the list of stolen?
Can I have my
Yeah, if
stuff?
she wants. Hey, what's her name?
Can I have my stuff?
What's her name?
Wait for shit.
Ma'am. Ma'am. Ma'am.
Can I have my stuff?
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Can I have my
Ma'am, I
What
need you
is
to
your
step over
cause
here.
for
Come here.
talking to me?
Come here. Come here.
I don't have
wanna
to
show
talk to you.
I want to show
I'm
you
not
something.
under arrest.
I'm trying to show you. Listen.
show you that your
See your
car
car
is
right here,
in a
ma'am?
system.
See it's on red.
Stolen.
You see AW8.
There's no possible way you just did that in the
Listen.
system.
No.
There's no fucking possible way. My car has
She's
never,
literally
ever
not gonna
been
know.
reported stolen. Ever.
Well,
Ever.
listen.
Ever.
We're trying to tell you.
Ever.
We're trying to tell you.
No, the fuck it hasn't. Leave me alone. No, it hasn't. Never in life has it
Christ.
ever. Everything is in my name. How
Listen,
the fuck could it be
We're trying to show you why we
That's some
stopped it. That's
bullshit
it.
system you did.
No,
Did you make up the
listen,
numbers?
No, listen.
Where'd you get the numbers from?
All right, I'm done. I'm done.
Your registration, man.
The fuck?
what
Hold
you
it.
got?
There's
Can't
no
talk to
fucking
somebody
way my
I got
car's
another one over there.
Literally,
52
we're past that.
flap.
We're past it.
Give
We're
me
past
my
that.
stuff back so I can go.
it's reported as stolen.
Okay, but it's mine. You see I'm the owner.
Would you let me talk? If you're the
Sure.
owner, we'll take it out of the system and we'll have you
How
on
is
your way.
it?
No hurry.
But
When are you
that's
gonna
why
do it?
we're confirming that you're the owner.
How, what else do you need?
To run you in the
What
system
else
to
do
make
you
sure this
need?
car is registered
I'm
to
getting
you.
the fuck out of
All
here.
right?
Give me my fucking registration and my insurance now.
Ma'am, stay.
Give me
Ma'am,
my registration and insurance. Give me my registration and insurance.
can we?
Alright, 19 go.
You're not gonna give it to
Listen,
me?
ma'am,
You're not gonna give it to me?
ma'am,
You're not gonna give it to me?
ma'am.
Your radio is terrible.
Can you please come over here?
Sure.
Just let them do what they gotta do, and then you'll be on your way.
Give me my shit.
What's your
Tired
name?
of you cops. Tired of you cocksuckers. I hope y'all all go to hell. I can't wait till Hartford has this fucking riot.
I said I love Jesus, so that's not happening.
The fuck? I bet it will. Soon enough, it's already written. Read the Bible.
I do read the Bible. I
No,
just read the Bible.
it's already written.
Don't even bother. Don't even bother.
It's already fucking written.
Don't even
Let's
bother.
talk about it.
Oh, so she's a Calvinist.
Yes, I'm all of that. Whatever you want me to be. Militant too.
Okay.
8867, 8867.
Jesus, I don't
I
got
don't
issues
give a
with it.
fuck. If I'm to get my registration,
I don't have your registration.
So get it from your
Step on
president.
4.
Her car's in the system is stolen.
I don't care. You see it's me. You see I'm the owner. What are we doing? What
We
are
have
we
to run
doing?
it. We have to run it. We have to do a protocol.
What are you doing? No, I don't want to talk to you.
Okay, then stand there and just...
Stand over
I'll
there.
just leave.
No, you can't leave. You can't.
It's my car. I can absolutely.
Ma'am,
Like, do you have the keys?
ma'am, get out of the car. What are you doing? Stay over there. 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 I'm not gonna tell you again. Stay over there.
No!
Get out of the car.
No! Fuck! It's my car and it's not stolen.
Listen, watch
It's
out.
my car.
Let it out of the car.
I don't give a fuck.
Put it in park.
It's my car. It's not
what are you
stolen.
doing?
It's my car.
Get out of the car. Get out of the car. Get out of the car.
And it's not stolen.
Get out of the car.
Leave.
Stay over there. I'm not telling you. Stay over there. Stay over there. Stay over there.
Yo, you better tell the fuck out.
Get back. Get back. Get back.
No. My daughter's in here. Leave me the fuck alone.
Stay over there.
Leave me alone. Sister, leave me alone.
I'm not gonna tell you again. Stay right there.
Leave my sister alone. Yeah, it's gonna be a fucking problem.
Stay back. Stay back.
Leave my sister alone.
Ma'am.
Baby, put the car in park,
Put
baby.
the car in park.
Put the car in park, baby. Put it in park.
You guys back up.
Back up. Back up. Back up. Get behind the curb. I'm not telling you again. Get back.
Leave me alone.
Back up.
Sit down, baby. Calm down.
What are you doing? Get back.
Let's go.
My car. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. I have my daughter here. Leave me alone.
Just like him. Don't tell me to step back. We here. We here for our sister. I
No,
don't
that's
care.
fine. We're trying to listen. We're trying to run the protocol. Back up. Back up. Back up. Back up. Back up. Back up. Get behind the curb. Get behind the curb. Back up. Back up, ma'am. Ma'am, stay back. Stay back. Stay back, please. Please stay back. We got. Listen. Get back. Get back. Get back. Get back. Get behind. Get behind. Get back. Get back. Get back. Relax. Relax. Get back. I'm not gonna tell you again. Get back. Get back.
Look what they doing to her, yo.
She's not listening. Get back.
So what? I'm not listening. What the fuck?
Stay back.
What the fuck you gonna do? I'm not listening.
Bro.
Fuck the police. Y'all niggas crazy. Y'all gonna do that to a female.
She made her decision. Stay back. I'm not. Oh my God. I'm not worried about it. I'm gonna stay over there. Stay over there. All right. All right. Back up. 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 Back up.
Yo, you don't need that many.
Back up. Back up. Back up. Back up.
Why is there not a female officer?
Back up.
Listen.
Guys, back up. Back up. Listen.
She can't
They gotta try to
breathe,
calm her down. Relax.
So you need to tell them that she can't breathe, man. They need to help her, man.
She's getting. Trust me. They're doing what they gotta do. Step back. Step back. Step back.
Okay, I'm gonna record because
That's fine. That's fine. Record all you got want to, but stay. Record, but stay on the curb. Stay on the curb.
I'm right here. That's fine.
You start that way, 679 Blue Hill.
We good. I'm an officer too, bro. This is not right. This is not right. It's not needed for all this extra stuff. I'm an officer too. This is not needed for all this. We need to just calm down. Why is there no female cop out here? Why is there not a female cop out here? Why is there not a female cop out
All
here?
of these men and
We need a female cop out here.
Just step back.
Just relax.
Just step back. Step back. Step back.
Just relax. Just relax. Just relax.
Anyone else north?
Just relax.
Start that way.
Sit down and stay still.
Yeah, baby, calm down. Calm down.
I mean, now she got to see already in the restraints. She got to calm down.
I'm already making my way. So 31 and 12, if you guys can make your way to 9 Willis on the 6375. White female blonde hair, wearing a white shirt and jeans. Black male wearing a gray sweater and jeans. The building refusing to leave. CJ and the supervisor, 1040.
Get off of me! Get off of me! Get off of me!
Oh my God, this is fucking ridiculous.
Right now, they don't need. They can't. The female officer wouldn't even work. She's not cooperating.
Get off of me, man!
Are you a relative? I thought you said you were his sister.
That is my sister.
So the little girl's in the car.
And that's your brothers? That's my sister.
There's a little girl in the car.
That's not my name.
Well, you saying that's your sister, so I would suggest go over there. The fuck, man. A whole kid in the car.
No, call your supervisor. Where's he at? Go get him. Go get him. No one talk to him first.
Ma'am,
Let me talk
calm
to him
down.
first.
Just,
Supervisor! 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 Hey,
back, stay back, stay back, stay back.
Are you serious right now?
Take that badge off.
We want y'all badge numbers right here. We want y'all badge numbers. We want y'all badge numbers. What's your badge number? What's your name, sir?
The ones that's doing it, we want their
Yeah,
badge.
we want them names and badge numbers. Y'all got a problem. Y'all gonna have a problem.
351, I'm out here. I'm stepping out.
Y'all look at y'all slum. Y'all about to break
Stay
my
back,
foot. Look out.
stay back, stay back, stay back. Back up, get on the curb, get on the curb.
Y'all about to break
Get
her
on the
foot.
curb.
Y'all about to break her foot. Y'all close her foot in the door. I don't care.
Stay back, get on the curb. Boss, get on the curb.
Y'all close her foot in the fucking door.
I'm not gonna tell you one more time. Stay on the curb.
What you mean? I got it on tape. What you talking about? I don't care. I'm not gonna stop yelling none of that. Y'all gonna hear me today. Put that shit down.
That's what I
Fuck out of here.
That car coming up, handle the crowd on the west side. Pull right up.
Y'all hurting her. Put her in the ambulance. Put her in the ambulance. So stop them. Put her in the ambulance. Put her in the ambulance.
Guy in the red
Put her in the
coming up.
ambulance.
Driving a car away with her daughter in it. Smart. Smart.
She's scared. Look at how much of y'all to her. What do you mean? She's scared. So what the fuck is you doing here?
Going to the ambulance, guy.
Get that cruiser out of here with the female one.
What's your badge number? Everybody that
Now,
jumped
say it
down
again.
her. Mike 6, Marmino. What's your badge number? Everybody that jumped
Hear
down
y'all.
her.
What's your badge number?
We want everybody that jumped on her. We want your
Yeah, I
badge
know all of them badge numbers.